Hello, in front of me I've got Honor X6. In this video I'll show you how to add passes to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's go to Wallet. Enter Add to Wallet. And now focus on Transit Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's go to Transit Pass. And if you are able to find your transit way selected, you'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty. And now enter loyalty program you would like to add. You can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Tap Add to Wallet and it's done. In the end, let's go to gift card, which is pretty similar to loyalty card because you have to select shop, enter card number, PIN, balance your notes and tap Add to Wallet. And that's basically it. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of Google Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.